I'm Kat Hall, and I'm the Restoration Program Director here at the Lands Council. The Lands Council is a nonprofit organization based in downtown Spokane. Our mission is to preserve and revitalize the forests, water, and wildlife of the inland Northwest. And we do that through things like education, grassroots activism, advocacy, community engagement. We are a small but mighty staff of 8, and we're celebrating our 40th anniversary this year, 2025. As Restoration Program Director, I lead all of our streamside restoration work, where we plant native trees and shrubs and build beaver dam analogs to help improve water quality by stopping erosion, filtering out pollutants coming off of the land, and shading creeks to allow for more dissolved oxygen. I also play a big role in our urban forestry program, where we plant larger urban street trees in low canopy, low income neighborhoods in an effort to guard against local climate change. The educational pathway to getting the kind of job that I have these days, it is a college education. And that can be an associate's degree with a follow-up degree. A master's degree is helpful. I think in addition to college and graduate coursework, it's really, really important to have that outdoor, sort of on-the-ground, volunteer or otherwise experience.
Learn more about careers and career paths at careerexplorenw.org.